You gonna turn around? Are you gonna turn around? God, you got stuff on your nose. Alright, let's do it.
Poor thing. She's like, I don't like this.
What's in her mouth?
I gave her a bit of bacon.
You can't give her bacon.
Why not? It's a tiny little piece.
That'll choke her.
She was happy with it. She was gumming it to death. I don't think she likes it.
It's green peas. What do you think?
Is that good?
She doesn't like it, but
She'll spit it out.
This is what she does with the Tylenol when I give it to her. Put on your... Yes.
It's wet outside.
Here. I tell you what to